Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing exercises of multiplication based on basic techniques, and further episode was 2 digits multiplied by 1 digits based on 7 basic techniques, and this one is going to 3 digits multiplied by 1 digits, and we are going to use all 7 techniques of multiplication, basic techniques of multiplication on the abacus. So let's start. Your question is on the screen. 687 multiplied by 2. We have 4 digits in the questions. This is my marked rod, 1 2 3 4. So starting from this rod, 6 twos are 1 to 12, 8 twos are 1 6 16, and 7 twos are 1 4 14, and your answer is 1 3 7 4. Next question. 928 multiplied by 7, starting from this start. 7 nines are 63 cents. 7 twos are 1 4 14 cents. 7 eights are 5 6 56, and your answer is 6 4 9 6. Next. 492 multiplied by 8. 8 fours are 32 cents. 8 nines are 72 cents. 8 twos are 1 6 16 cents, and your answer is 3936. Next is 267 multiplied by 7. 7 twos are 1 4 14. 6 sevens are 42, so you have to add 4 and 2. To add 4 here, you have to borrow this 5 and reduce 1 and 2 here. And 7 sevens are 49, so you have to borrow this 5 to add 4 here and 9, and your answer is 1 8 6 and 9. Next, 214 multiplied by 2, 4 digits starting from here. 2 twos are 4. You have to put 0 in front of 1 digit answer. So 0 4 2 1 is 2 0 2, and 2 4 is 8 0 8, and your answer is 4 2 8. Next, 132 multiplied by 3. 3 1 is 0 3. 3 threes are 9 0 9 cents. 3 twos are 6 0 6, and your answer is 396. 212 multiplied by 4. 4 twos are 8 0 8. 4 1 is 4 0 4. 4 twos are 8 0 8, and your answer is 848. 431 multiplied by 2. 2 fours are 0 8. 2 threes are 6 0 6. 2 1 is 2 0 2, and your answer is 862. Next, 111 multiplied by 8. So this is very easy. So 4 digits starting from here. 8 1 is 808. 8 1 is 808, and 8 1 is 808, and your answer is 888. 947 multiplied by 1. So 1 nines are 909. 1 fours are 404, and 1 sevens are 707, and your answer is 947. 213 multiplied by 6. Starting from this dot, 6 twos are 1 to 12. 6 1 is 606, and 6 threes are 18 1 and 18, and your answer is 1278. 528 multiplied by 2. 5 twos are 10 1 0 10. 2 twos are 4 0 4, and 2 eights are 16 1 6 16. You have to add 1 here. To add 1, borrow this 5, reduce 4 and 6, and your answer is 1056. Next, 971 multiplied by 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 sevens are 63. 9 1 is 09. And your answer is 8739. 862 multiply by 4. 8 fours are 32. 6 fours are 24. 2 fours are 08. And your answer is 3448. 173 multiply by 5. 5 1 is 505. 5 sevens are 35. And 5 threes are 15. And your answer is 865. 601 multiply by 5. 4 digits. 5 6 are 3030. And 50 is 0. Nothing to do, but you have to change this finger. And 5 1 is 0. 5 0 and 5. And your answer is 5. No, you have to read this one. Okay, 3005. Don't forget to write this one. Okay, next 107 multiply by 8. 8 1 is 0 8. 8 0 is 0. Nothing to do. And 8 sevens are 56. And your answer is 856. 902 multiply by 4. 9 fours are 3 6 36. 4 0 is 0. And 4 twos are 808. And your answer is 3608. 301 multiply by 3. 3 threes are 909. 3 0 is 0. And 3 1 is 0 3. Okay, and your answer is 903. And this one is last. 704 multiply by 6. 6 sevens are 42. 6 0 is 0. And 6 fours are 24. And your answer is 4224. So do these exercises by yourself. If you want more exercises, please comment to me or email me. And these are all techniques and all exercises of 2 digits multiply by 1. If you know all this technique, then you can do multiplication on the abacus very easily. So next series will going to be 2 digits multiply by 2 digits and 3 digits multiply by 2 digits. Okay, so thank you for being here. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not comment on my English language. I am not perfect enough, and my episodes are in 3 different languages: Nepali, English and Hindi. Please choose your language and watch the episodes. Please check my playlist to find out the suitable language and suitable episodes for you. And if you are beginner on the abacus, you have to start from the addition and subtraction, and start from the beginner level addition and subtraction, and which is also available in my channel. So check and just come to play in my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Tata.